Hey guys, it's Nick. I'm here in New Jersey heading back down to Florida in a little bit. Weather's not that great. It's windy. It looks like this tornado coming or something. But I can already smell this awesome Korean barbecue that my friend, who I think is like a master chef, is cooking right now. So let's take a look at what he's cooking and how he cooks it and marinates it and everything. I think if you follow his recipe, you will have some expert Korean barbecue. So check this out right here. Look at this marinade. First of all, how do you marinate this? What do you put in it? How long do you keep it?
I mean, you gotta grind up what's in there? Garlic, onion.
Okay, garlic and
Sesame
onion,
oil.
sesame oil,
Some sugar, salt, peppers.
And why is it so liquid? You just add water to it?
And then you gotta add water, yes.
Okay, so,
that's the secret.
but you have to know how to do it in the right, proportions.
Right.
How did you learn? Just trial and error,
Yeah, trial
and
and
just
error.
add more and less depending on what you like? And how long you have to keep it out overnight?
Usually overnight, but since you came fast, it was only 4 hours.
So this is only a 4-hour marinade.
So when you know like your guest's gonna come really shortly, then you add more salt and soy sauce.
Okay, so I gave him really short notice and I came here, and so he marinated it pretty quick, but I'm sure it's gonna be pretty awesome. So let's see how to cook this. So how long do you cook this on each side?
Oh, until it gets cooked, man. I don't know. You look at it.
So you do it by eye and experience and
yes.
stuff, but generally what, like 10 minutes to cook or more than that?
Maybe 10-15 minutes.
What,
it's just thin, so like
what is this meat and where do you buy
it's
it?
a short rib.
Short rib?
So flanken. So it's usually like this thick, but I butterfly, like so, make it like this long.
So wait, you
long
buy
track.
it thick, and then you slice it thin?
Yeah, slice it like this.
Oh, okay.
You go like left and right, left and right.
Okay, so you don't buy it like from a special Korean store or nothing like that. You just buy regular steak and you slice it thin, and that way it cooks really nice and gets
so
all the
this
marinade.
It starts like this. What is it? Like this thick, and then I open it up with a knife.
Oh, so this is one piece,
this is
and then you slice it in a way that it comes unfolded like that. Wow,
so that's what the restaurants do. It's a mad skill.
So
this is from Whole Food.
This is from Whole Food?
Nothing but the best.
Let me ask you this. How much did the like this amount of meat, how much does it cost in Whole Food?
How much is this? I don't know. Like normally it's like $12 per pound.
Okay.
And then it was on sale. You know, I cannot eat
yeah,
expensive meat.
Right.
It was a $7.99.
The bargain bin stuff.
Yeah.
But this right here, if you go to a Korean barbecue even in Jersey, not even New York City, how much is this at Korean barbecue?
Usually they say this is a one-man portion.
Okay.
It's like a $30. $30
$30
to $40 for this.
Okay, and this is probably half a pound of meat or a pound of meat, right?
Well,
like
not even pound, like I say, I don't know, quarter?
A quarter, you think?
I mean, without the bone.
Okay, so like there's probably what, $4 of meat from buying this at Whole Foods,
right?
And that they charge you like $30 in a Korean barbecue restaurant for that piece right there. Wow. So this has got to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like.
Yeah, so this will be like
usually
one-man portion. And then with the meat price, I don't know how much they charge you now.
Wow, that's crazy.
So that's why I don't go.
So that's why when I want Korean barbecue, I only stop by my friend's house and have him cook it for me for free.
Last time we were at Korean barbecue was like 20 years ago.
Yes, and I ate that super hot green thing. What the hell was that?
The green pepper.
Oh my God.
They were. I remember like yesterday you said you couldn't taste.
Yes. So yeah, he's talking about, we went to a Korean barbecue in Fort Lee, I believe, and he told me to eat this green pepper, and I guess the seeds were so hot or something, and I didn't know, and I bit it, and immediately my mouth just opened up. I couldn't even close my mouth, and my eyes started tearing. It was so hot, and my nose started running, and I just never experienced anything like that. So hopefully he doesn't have any of those peppers today, because I'm not eating them. but let's check back in a few minutes and see when this thing is ready. All right, so after a few minutes, looks like we're halfway there, turning them over, get them to get brown a little bit. And so you eat it like this, you don't put any kind of sauce or barbecue sauce or hot sauce or anything.
No, it's marinated, and then when you eat, make a lettuce wrap. You put
the lettuce wrap.
Yeah,
that's right.
you put traditional Korean like what do you call it? Like a miso paste.
Miso paste.
Yeah, I'll show you.
Am I gonna like that? I don't know. I never remember eating miso paste.
Oh no, it's good for you. It's like a probiotic.
Okay, wait. So Korean barbecue is not complete if the guy that's serving it doesn't have a scissor to cut it up for you.
That's right.
So that's how you know you're in a Korean barbecue place. They got the scissors all over the place. And I'm gonna sample myself a little piece right here. So guys, look at that. That thing looks awesome, nice and thin. Let's see how this marinade came out. So that is really good, better than I remember from the Korean barbecue place. So compliments to the chef over here.
Yeah, have more.
So look at that. I don't mind if I do. Yeah. So I'm eating right here off the grill while this stuff is cooking, and he's working on some other dishes inside. He better hurry up and come out here because I might eat most of this before it's even finished. Okay, it's all ready. Time to load it up, and let's get out of this damn cold and chow down on this stuff. Okay, so show us how to do this here.
Alright, so this you pick a lettuce,
and that's special lettuce that you buy. Like
well, this is just from Costco, the Boston whatever lettuce.
Okay.
Because you're supposed to get like a really soft lettuce that Korean market gets, but we don't have it here. So and then this is the miso paste.
Miso paste.
Yeah, I'll show you. It's called in Korean samjang.
Samjang.
So it's good stuff.
Just wrap
and
it
then,
up.
And then put some rice. And you wrap it and eat it in one shot.
All right. Okay, guys, I got my Korean Guinness beer here. I got my lettuce. I got my beef. I got my, what do you call this paste?
Samjang.
Samjang paste. Put a little extra on there. Put a little rice. And let's see, wrap it up and eat it.
One shot.
Oh, one shot?
Very nice.
So that was awesome. That's a look at a master chef with Korean barbecue, and I'm just gonna eat this and enjoy it before I take my long ride down to Florida. So I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.